Ali's just having some lunch with her pigeon friends on the other side of the window. There was a crow here a minute ago as well. But I think the crow was a bit camera shy. There were some really sweet pigeons before. They were like lovebirds. I could tell they were in love and that they were a couple because of where they were with each other. Ali really misses being with other doves. But it's going to have to be at least another couple of weeks that she's in isolation. I might end up getting another dove, a fifth dove, so that she can have a friend. Probably another female, because they're less noisy. And if Kermit does decide he wants to stop attacking other birds and start trying to mate with them, then he would have a choice of two. But that these two could still live together. Ali and whatever other dove I get. Do you have something to say, babe? He's just interested in the pigeons that are outside.